Hi, and welcome back to Building with Blocks. In previous 7 episodes, we have learned how to work with templates, patterns, styles, and navigation. These 7 episodes served as a basic tutorial for everyone who wants to understand the block themes and start working with full site editing. Throughout this basic journey, we have ended up with a website that looks like this. So if you didn't see previous 7 episodes, I strongly recommend that you go back and watch them. Link will be in the description below. What I want to do now is make this site populated with content so it looks like actual websites. So it does not have no hashtags, no photos, no media and stuff like that. I will add some users, posts, and I will be back when I'm done with that. So here I am with the actual website that looks like a website. And in the process of populating it with the dummy content, I find out that I never really enabled the background or cover here in this block. And I never really removed the hashtags block from the sidebar. So let's do that now. As we have learned previously, we will go to our patterns, sidebar, and then find the sidebar left. All right. Click on this block, and here on the right hand side, switch to block and enable show community links, show cover. Scroll a little bit down, select the entire hashtags block and delete it. Then save this template part, sidebar PeepSo left. Let's see what actually happened on the front end. Refresh this page, and our change is applied. Okay, now that we have a website to work with, let's focus our attention to the subject at hand, and that is creating a custom template. Probably the most frequent question we got ever since we released the block theme is, how do you enable this style for the photos widget? Or how do you enable this thing? Okay. And it is really simple. It's not included in the default templates, but we are going to create a new template that is going to include this block and display them only on the recent activity page. Of course, you can simply edit the pages template and include this block on all of your pages, but that will defeat the purpose of this particular tutorial of creating a custom template. So let's go back to our editor, open templates, and click on Add Template. Choose the custom template, give it a name, let's call it Community Custom, and create it. Now, the block editor wants you to choose the default pattern for this template, and the default pattern is the pages template. We will choose that and save it for now. So allow me to elaborate what we just did. Let's go back to templates. And now you can see that admin of this site has created a new template. And we basically took the pages template, just a second, from here, this our pages template, and we created a custom template. So basically at this point, we have two exactly the same templates, but this one is not used anywhere yet. Let's go back and edit this template. And here On top of the content block, we want to add a new block above it. So add before, click on, let me explain it one more time. Click on the content block, click on three dots, and click on add before. So that will add the block before the content. Okay, in this new block, we want to search for photos and add PeepSo photos, or PeepSo community photos, sorry. You will add the latest community photos and switch the story style. We are going to remove the title and save this template. Also, we want to reduce the number of photos displayed to, let's say, just 4 or 5 or 6. Let's say 4. And save it one more time. Now we need to apply this template to the page. So to do that, we can go here into Pages, find our community page, or recent activity, and edit this page. Okay. Change the template from Pages, to our custom or community custom template, and simply save it. Now when we visit the site and refresh our community page, we successfully changed the template for it. And if we navigate away from the recent activity page, let's say go to members, you will see that this block is not showing anymore because we did not edit the pages template. We created our own custom template, which is only applied to the recent activity page. And that is how you create custom templates. It's simple, right? Okay, this is it for this episode. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.